Good afternoon, CThompson here at BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a very nice 2015 Newmar Dutch Star. This is the 4038. Beautiful coach. Looks like it's been very well maintained, all in great shape throughout. Come on inside, let me show you this beautiful coach. This is going to have the 450 motor, along with and then it's going to have the dual stage engine brake, as well as this is going to be a front living opposing couch model. Really nice, beautiful woodwork, very well insulated coach, windows, walls. The Newmar you're going to find is probably going to be insulated better than most every coach out there, with the full wall, all four-sided insulation throughout the slides as well as the coach itself. So a great full timing coach, or just having a nice luxury coach to travel with. Again, the opposing couches on each side, the dinette table with a booth, which is kind of rare in this model, but you know, some people are ideally looking for that. Storage underneath, cabinets above, Maytag residential refrigerator. You'll notice in this particular model we got TV in the front and the rear of the living kitchen area. And then overhead cabinets on both sides of the opposing slides as well. This one's got a great big countertop area. We also have the extension here that pulls out. That's going to give us more counter space along with a couple more drawers. The residential size convection microwave, and the 3-burner cooktop with the hinged lid that can stay up out of the way and or remove if want to. Solid surface backsplash. Nice drawers, big deep cabinets with adjustable shelving. Very, very nice. This is going to have a pull-out tray here. Nice. The deep double sink there with the residential faucet. Do a really good job with the lighting. Again, the cabinetry, more cabinetry above and below, utilizing every little nook and cranny they can. I like this particular model. It is a mid-bath, one bath model. The way I would use it for my family, this works great for my wife and I. It is a mid-bath walk-through, so we have the toilet and sink window on the side there. That would be the door side. And then we have the full bath to complete. Another sink with the shower enclosure here, with pocket doors on each side of the bathroom to make it private if we need the whole bathroom side to side private. In my family, it would just be the two of us, so it would work great. I know different floor plans work different for different people, but for this particular coach that came in, just had to get it out there because it's very, very nice, very clean. You got to see it. It's as nice, if not nicer, than what the video is going to show here. This is going to have the queen bed option, with windows on both sides of the bed, and again, opposing slides in the bedroom as well. Washer and dryer hookup available. This has not had a washer and dryer in it. So what's kind of nice is that tells me this hasn't been a full-time user for most part because of that. The big wardrobe area. You got your big deep drawers here throughout. Another TV, drawers down below, overhead cabinetry. Again, beautiful woodwork throughout the whole coach. The vent covers here on the roof that hinge down for cleaning. You know, Newmar does a great job. And this coach is going to have the 6-position comfort steer on the steering, which, you know, if you know a little bit about the Newmar product, that is a great feature, which is why these are so popular and are rated for one of the best driving, if not the best driving, Class A motorhome going down the road today. As we move forward, we have our switch control system up here that accesses our front slides, do our rear slides in the back, along with our engine block heater and some of our other switches here. Outside, this has got a real beautiful paint job. Got the door awning as well as the big patio awning with the AlumiGuard awning cover. Then when we open up the basements, we got tons of storage with some pass-through. Then we got the tray that's going to pull out. We got our pegboard area there for maybe some outdoor tools. Nice shiny Alcoa wheels. Big tires all the way with the tag. Auto leveling system. And then on the back end, it's going to have the big hitch. Again, I said the 450 horsepower motor. Access ladder to the roof. Slide toppers on the slide outs as well. Of course, the Newmar is going to have the side radiator system. The Oasis hydronic heating. And then this is going to have the big 8,000 watt diesel generator. I think this coach only has about 25,000 miles on it. So again, just kind of a quick run through on some of our pre-owned inventory. This is a 2015 Newmar Dutch Star 4038 in really nice shape. It's got all the features. I know I probably missed a few, but you know, this is a quick video. If you have any more questions on it or any more maybe about our diesel inventory, feel free to contact me direct at 541-979-1770. That's Clay Thompson at BISH'S RV. Again, 541-979-1770. Call me direct. Have a great day.